Okay, in the class we are going to discuss application of Laplace transform for solving differential equation. What is the heading here? Application of Laplace transform application of Laplace transform for solving differential equation. Application of Laplace transform for solving differential equation. See, for this solving that Laplace transform, solving the differential equation using Laplace transform, we need two formulas. One is Laplace transform of f dash of t. What is Laplace transform of f dash of t formula? You know, s into L of f of t minus f of 0. That is we have derived when we are discussing about the properties of Laplace transform. What is L of f dash of t equal to s into L of f of t minus f of 0. Second one is L of f double dash of t, s square L of f of t minus s into f of 0 minus f dash of 0. These are the two very important formulas for solving any differential equation. So what is the procedure for solving given differential equation? One is, given equation is differential equation with the initial conditions. Given equation is differential equation with the initial conditions. Second step is take the Laplace transform both side of differential equation. Third step is expand differential equation using Laplace transform formulas. Fourth step is apply initial conditions in the expanded equation. . in the expanded equation. Then fifth step is finally take inverse Laplace transform. So what are the 5 steps here? Procedure. First one is given equation is differential equation with initial conditions. Taking the Laplace transform on both sides of the differential equation. Then expand the differential equation using Laplace transform formula. Then apply the initial conditions in the expanded equation. Finally, take the inverse Laplace transform for the given equation. Then the resulting value is y of t. So here write the problem. Problem 1, y double dash minus 3y dash minus 4y equal to t e power minus t, y of 0 equal to 1, y dash of 0 equal to 1. Listen, in the problem we can see that y double dash minus 3y dash minus 4y equal to 2 e power minus t, y of 0 equal to 1 and y dash of 0 equal to 1. Listen, we know that here this differential equation can be written as d square y by dt square minus 3 dy by dx minus 4y equal to 2 e power minus t. So what are the initial conditions here? Y of 0 equal to 1 with the initial conditions, with the initial conditions. What are the initial conditions here? Y of 0 equal to 1 and then y dash of 0 equal to 1. Okay, listen, the given problem may be in the two format. One is y double dash minus 3y dash minus 4y equal to 2 e power minus t will be given, or d square y by dt square minus 3 dy by dx minus 4y equal to given. Any two formats they may be given. Okay, understand? So you have to take this one. Here y is dependent variable, t is independent variable. Y is dependent variable, t is independent variable. What is our aim? Our aim is to get that y of t. Here given the differential equation is that second order differential equation. Given the differential equation is second order differential equation. In the first semester already you have studied about that solving the second order differential equations with constant coefficient, with variable coefficient, using the method of variation of parameter. Is it not? So here we are going to solve the second order differential equation using the Laplace transform. Using the Laplace transform. Okay, fine. Now listen, what is the first step here? Taking the Laplace transform both sides of the differential equation. Okay, write down. Taking Laplace transform both sides. So given equation is equation number 1. Take it that given equation is equation number 1. Okay, taking the Laplace transform both sides. So if you are taking the Laplace transform both sides, the equation 1 becomes Laplace transform of y double dash minus 3 Laplace transform of y dash minus 4 Laplace transform of y equal to 2 Laplace transform of e power minus t. Yeah. Okay. It is not x actually, it is t only. Good. dy by dt only, because independent variable is t na. Okay, fine. See, if you are taking the Laplace transform on both sides, you will get that L of y double dash minus L of y dash, L of y equal to t, L of e power minus t. Okay, fine. So what are the formula here? L of y double dash of t. Just now I told na, the beginning of the class I have written the formula na. Here, yeah, what is here? F dash of t is there na, same thing. What is y dash of t? What is y dash of t? S into L of y of t minus y of 0. Second one, L of y double dash of t. S square L of y of t minus S into y of 0 minus y dash of 0. Is it not? So, we can write here once again L of y double dash of t is S square L of y of t minus S into y of 0 minus y dash of 0, and then one more L of y dash of t is what? S into L of y of t minus y of 0, because listen, please concentrate in the problem. This problem is the compulsory problem. Compulsory it will come to that cycle test and then university examination also, because it is the only the lengthy problem is there in that within that 3 units 3 4 5 in the 3 units only one a long question is there, solving the differential equation. So it is a compulsory problem. Now listen, so apply these two formulas, apply the Laplace transform formulas in the differential equation. What do you get? The equation becomes, first term is what? What is first term? L of y double dash. Then how can you write this? S square L of y of t minus S into y of 0 minus y dash of 0. Okay, close the bracket, open and close the bracket. Okay, fine. Minus 3 is there. L of y dash is there na? L of y dash of t. What is L of y dash of t? Open the bracket. S into L of y of t minus y of 0. Write carefully this and then close the bracket. Then one more term is there na, minus 4 L of y, minus 4 L of y of t equal to, right hand side is there na, right hand side. What is right hand side here? 2 L of e power minus t. Yeah, L of e power minus t is what? See, Laplace transform of e power minus t is what? 1 by s plus 1. Okay, instead of a here 1 is there, so 1 by s plus 1. Therefore we can write this equation is taking common L of y of t, taking common L of y of t in the left hand side. I am taking that L of y of t. Okay, fine. What is remaining? Open the bracket. What other things are there when you are taking that L of y of t as common? S square is there. Okay. Listen. So here one term, this is s square, this is one term, and then L of y of t, where is the other term? This is one more term. It is one more term. Three terms are there, L of y of t, na? So now s square, then write carefully, minus 3s minus 4. So L of y of t is over. Remaining minus s into y of 0, na? Y of 0 is what? See, y of 0 is what? 1. Is it not? So y of 0 equal to this one, this value. Y of 0. This y of 0 value is what? 1. Here also y of 0 is there, 1. Okay. So you have to write here as minus s into 1. That means minus s. Okay. And then what is y dash of 0? What is y dash of 0? 1. So minus 1. Minus s minus 1. And then minus plus minus 3 and minus is there, plus 3 into y of 0 value is what? 1. 1 into 3? 3 plus 3 equal to what? 1 by, here also you have to write equal to 1 by s plus 1. 1 by s plus 1. So L of y of t in the next step you can write that s square minus 3s minus 4 equal to 1 by s plus 1. Take it this things to that side. Minus s is plus s. And then minus 1 plus 3 is minus 1 plus 3 plus 2. Take it to that side. Minus 2. Simplify this. Simplify this. 1 by s plus 1. Yes. Minus s is okay. Minus 3 is okay. Minus 1 plus 3 is minus 2 plus 2 here. Go to that side, it is minus 2, na? Oh, is there 2 is there? Okay. So here also 2, na? So what is L of y of t now? L of y of t equal to 2 plus s minus 2 into s plus 1 divided by s square minus 3s minus 4 into s plus 1. Now what is our aim? Our aim is to find the solution y of t. Y of t equal to, see that what is the next step? What is the fourth step? You can see final step is apply initial conditions and then finally take inverse Laplace transform. So if you take that inverse Laplace transform here, what you get? Y of t equal to L inverse of 2 plus s minus 2 into s plus 1, and then in the denominator s square minus 3s minus 4 can be written as Listen, s square minus 3s minus 4 can be written as, factorize this, factorize s square minus 3s minus 4. S minus 4 into s plus 1. Okay, so s minus 4, fine, and then already s plus 1 is there, na? Here already one more s plus 1 is there, so we can write that s plus 1 whole square in the denominator. Is it not? Are you able to understand? So if you factorize s square minus 3s minus 4 into s plus 1, then we can get the 2 plus s minus 2 s plus 1 divided by s minus 4 s plus 1 whole square. Now find value of 2 plus s minus 2 s plus 1 divided by s minus 4 into s plus 1 whole square. This can be written as a by s plus 1, a by s plus 1 plus b by s plus 1 whole square plus c by s minus 4. You have to find the value of ABC. You have to find the value of ABC. So how to find the value? By using partial fraction method. It is the partial fraction method. What is the value of A? What is the value of B? What is the value of C? So we can write here 2 plus s minus 2 s plus 1 into a into s plus 1 into s minus 4 plus b into s minus 4 plus c into s plus 1 whole square. Okay, fine. If you are substituting s equal to minus 1 here, then what you get? S equal to minus 1, 2 equal to a is 0 plus b is minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. So minus 5b plus c is also 0. So b equal to minus 2 by 5. B equal to minus, is it not? B equal to minus 2 by 5. Then substituting s equal to plus 4. Substituting s equal to plus 4, then what you get? 2 plus 4 minus 2, 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 2 plus 10. Is it not? Am I correct? Minus 4, 4 minus 2, 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. That is equal to, first term is 0, second term is 0, third term is 4 plus 1, 5, 25 C, yeah? Is it not? Then C equal to what? 12 by 25. Then what is A value? Then what is A value? What are doing, man? Mobile phone தான் பார்த்துட்டு. Okay, what is a value here? Arey, try, man. Without trying, how can you get? If you are always looking for board, mean always you are looking for others. You are not able to try anything, means then how can you get? What is a value? Tell me. I am doing that a and b, na? Sorry, b and c, na? What is a value? Find that. Either you take that, okay, fine. Coefficient of s square. Coefficient of s square. If you are taking coefficient of s square, this side 1 equal to coefficient of s square is there, na? A. 1 equal to a. Okay. Plus c, yeah. A plus c. So 1 equal to a. C is what? 12 by 25. So a equal to 1 minus 12 by 25. That means 13 by 25. Simple, na? So what is b value here? Put one rectangle box for that important values. Okay, so here a equal to this one, 13 by 25. Then this equation can be written as, how can we write this equation? Y of t equal to L inverse of y of t equal to L inverse of what? A by s plus 1, na? That is 13 by 25 into 1 by s plus 1 plus b. B is minus 2 by 5 into 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus c. C is what here? 12 by 25 into 1 by s minus 4. Taking the inverse Laplace transform for each step, that is 13 by 25 e power minus t. Now listen. One important property is there, shifting property. Shifting property. L inverse of, I want to know the formula L inverse of f of s plus a formula. You see that and tell me that what is the answer for this. The last class I have given, na, L inverse of f of s plus a. Shifting theory, shifting formula. L inverse of f of s plus a. In the last class I have given nearly 10 formulas. See that. L inverse of f of s plus a. Am I given or not? Third one. See. Shifting property. L inverse of f of s minus a is e power a t f of t, yeah. Similarly, L inverse of f of s plus a is what? E power minus a t f of t. So using this formula here. So what is L inverse of f of s plus a? E power minus a t into L inverse of f of s. E power minus a t L inverse of f of s. So if you are apply that formula here, then what you get? If you apply the formula here, what you get? Minus 2 by 5 e power minus t in that f of s. F of s is there, na? L inverse of f of s is there, na? That is L inverse of s plus 1 tends to only s. L inverse of 1 by s square. Listen, this s plus 1 converted into e power minus t, and then s plus 1 can be written as only s. When you multiply with e power minus t. In case if it is s minus 1 is there, you have to multiply with e power t here. Okay, and then 12 by 25. 12 by 25. What is 1 by s minus 4? What is 1 by s minus 4? E power 4t. So final answer y of t equal to 13 by 25 e power minus t minus 2 by 5 e power minus t. What is L inverse of 1 by s square? What is L inverse of 1 by s square?
T for 1. 2 by T. In fact,
Ray, what is L inverse of 1 by s square? It is t plus 12 by 25 e power 4t. This is the solution for that given differential equation. So what is given? Given is second order differential equation. What is the solution here? Y of t. The given problem in terms of y double dash of t, y of t. Okay, you have to get the solution in terms of y of t. First you have to apply the Laplace transform on both sides. Then apply the initial conditions. Then taking the inverse Laplace transform. Then solving that inverse Laplace transform. Finally you will get the answer. Okay, these are the steps. Problem number 2. Solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation. X double dash plus 4x dash plus 3x equal to 10 sin t, where x of 0 equal to x dash of 0 equal to 0. What is the problem here? X double dash plus 4x dash plus 3x equal to 10 sin t, x of 0 equal to x dash of 0 equal to 0. So what is the dependent variable here? What is the dependent variable? What is the independent variable? See, x is the dependent variable, t is the independent variable. So this can be written as x double dash of t plus 4x dash of t plus 3x of t. In the last problem it is given in terms of y na. In the problem they are given in terms of x. Independent variable, only dependent variable change, independent variable is not change. Sometimes they may be given that f double dash of t, like that also, f double dash of t plus 4 f dash of t. At the time what is the solution? F of t is the solution. In terms of y is given, y of t is a solution. In terms of x, right hand side is given, then left hand side is given, what is the solution? X of t is the solution. Taking the Laplace transform on both sides. Taking Laplace transform on both sides. When you are taking the Laplace transform on both sides, then the equation becomes L of x double dash of t plus 4 into L of x dash of t plus 3 into L of x of t equal to 10 L of sin t. Okay, fine. Apply the Laplace transform here. What do you get? Apply the Laplace transform. What do you get here? What is the first term? What is the first term? L of x double dash of t. Write down here. Formula. L of x double dash of t equal to s square L of x of t minus s into x of 0 minus x dash of 0. First formula. Second formula, L of x dash of t, formula s into L of x of t minus x of 0. This is the formula. Apply these two formulas in this left hand side. Then what do you get? First term. What is the first term here? S square L of x of t minus s into x of 0, s into x of 0 minus x dash of 0. First term, second term. Second term plus 4 into s into L of x of t minus x of 0. What is remaining? Plus 3 L of x of t. Right hand side. What is L of sin t? What is L of sin t? Laplace transform of sin t. What is A here? So 10 divided by s square plus 1. Now listen, s square L of x of t, taking that L of x of t common, s square plus 4s plus 3. Listen, what is x of 0 here? X of 0. X of 0 is what? This is 0. Okay, fine. I am writing here. X of 0. Here I am writing. See, x of 0 is 0. X dash of 0 is 0. Okay. Here x of 0 is there. That is also 0. So, the initial conditions are 0. Okay, that's all, na? No other terms are there. That is equal to 10. Because the 3 terms are 0 means 10 divided by s square plus 1. Okay, fine. Now, s square plus 4s plus 3 can be written as so what is L of x of t here? Taking that this s square plus 4s plus 3 that side, 10 divided by s square plus 1 and then s plus 1. s plus 3. Fine. Have we solved that same problem? I think we have solved the same problem. Check it that problem I have sent the, I think not same or different. Partial fraction method I have sent na. I don't know how many of them are copied that. No, partial fraction method. No, na? Okay, otherwise we have to solve this. Different, na? Okay, we can solve this now. Fine. So using partial fraction method we have to solve this. How can we write this? A by s plus 1 plus b by s plus 3 plus cs plus d divided by s square plus 1. What is the left hand side? 10 divided by s square plus 1 into s plus 1 s plus 3. So 10 equal to, how can we write? A into s plus 3 into s square plus 1 plus b into s plus 1 into, not s plus 3, s square plus 1, b into s square plus 1, b into s square plus 1, then plus c into, sorry, cs plus d into cs plus d into s plus 1 into s plus 3. Okay, fine. Substituting s equal to minus 1 here, 10 equal to a is 0, b is 0, plus cs plus d into minus 1 plus 1. No. Okay, in case if minus 1 na, anything is not 0 I think here, s plus 1. Okay, it is not, a is not 0 I think, a is not 0, because s is minus 1 na, b and c terms are 0, but a term is not 0 na. So 10 equal to s equal to minus 1 means minus 1 plus 1, 1, 1, 2, 2 here, 2 into minus 1 plus 3, 2 here into a. That means a equal to what? 10 by 4. 10 by 4 can be written as pi by 2. A equal to pi by 2. Similarly, b. If you are substituting s equal to minus 3, at the same time you have to solve na. Substituting s equal to minus 3 here. S equal to minus 3, then what is the value of 10 equal to s equal to minus 3 means a is 0, c part is 0, only b part is there, b into minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, and then minus 3 whole square plus 10 na, is it not? So this 10 get cancelled, b equal to minus 1 by 2, Please, you have to verify. Don't copy from the board. You also have to verify. I can do the mistake, na. You are also verify that. Okay, fine. Now, taking that coefficient of s cube, coefficient of s cube 0 equal to a s cube is a. Okay, b s cube is plus b, c s cube is plus c, plus c. So that implies 0 equal to a is what? Pi by 2, b is minus 1 by 2 plus c. So what you get? C equal to what? Minus 2. Okay. C equal to minus 2. Say a is pi by 2 here, b is minus 1 by 2 here, and then c equal to minus 2. Only one is remaining, d. To find d, then we can take that coefficient of s square. If you are taking coefficient of s square, 0 equal to s square is 3a. S square is plus b. 3a plus b plus s square s square means, otherwise constant term we can take. Constant is somewhat okay na, instead of s square plus, because here cs plus d is somewhat complicated, so we can take constant term. In case if we take constant term, then what you get? Constant term 10 equal to 3a, correct? The same thing, 3a plus b, it is also correct. Constant term plus 3d, yeah, 3d na. Can you tell me, is it correct or not, this equation? 3d only na. Then 10 equal to 3a 15 by 2 plus b is minus 1 by 2 plus 3d. Okay, so what you get? That implies 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 by 2, 7 na, 7. So this side minus 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 equal to 3d. D equal to d equal to 1. Then the equation becomes L inverse of L inverse of what? First value. A is 5 by 2 now, 5 by 2 by s plus 1. Second one is minus 1 by 2 s plus 4, s plus 3. Then last one plus cs plus d na, plus c. C is minus 2. Is it plus or minus? Minus 2c plus d 1 divided by s square plus 1. Okay, fine. So what is the answer for this? 5 by 2. L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 is e power minus t minus 1 by 2. L inverse of 1 by s plus 3 is e power minus 3t plus is minus 2 is here, minus 2. No, c should not return, c should not be there, only minus 2. 2s should come, not 2c, 2s should come. So minus 2 by s square plus 1 is cos t, plus 1 by s square plus 1 is sin t. What is the value of this? X of t. So this is x of t equal to pi by 2 e power minus t minus 1 by 2 minus 3t e power minus 3t minus 2 cos t plus sin t. Example 3, solve d square plus 4, solve d square plus 4 y equal to cos 2t, where y of 0 equal to 3, y dash of 0 equal to 4. Solve d square plus 4y equal to cos 2t, are they writing or not? Okay, now you can solve with me this one. Step by step we can write here. Write the solution for this. What is the dependent variable here? Y is the dependent variable, t is the independent variable. Why it is switched up? Switch on 1 second. Here. Power. Okay, do this. D square plus 4 into y equal to cos 2t na. This can be written as d square plus 4 into y, d square y plus 4y. What is d here? D by dt. So this can be written as y double dash plus 4y equal to cos 2t. Write down. Switch on HDMI. Connect HDMI. That side. Last arrow. No. That one. HDMI. That one. HDMI. Okay. That done. Y double dash plus 4y equal to cos 2t. Yeah? Taking Laplace transform on both sides. Write down. Taking Laplace transform on both sides. We are taking Laplace transform on both sides. Then what you get? Taking the Laplace transform on both sides. L of y double dash plus L of y of t equal to L of cos 2t. Okay, so L of y double dash is s square L of y of t minus s into y of 0 minus y dash of 0 plus L of y of t equal to L of cos 2t is what? L of cos 2t,
2 by
not 2 by, what 2 by? S by
square
s square plus 4. So we need to solve, I think we need to solve more problem on Laplace transform. Once again, revise all the problem. I will do all the problem once again. Okay, so because L of y of t here, L of y of t into s square plus 1, s square plus 1 minus s into y of 0, y of 0 is 3, 3s minus y dash of 0, y dash of 0 is 4 equal to s by s square plus 4. Okay, therefore L of y of t s square plus 1 equal to s by s square plus 4 minus plus 3s plus 4. So what is L of y of t here? L of y of t equal to, what is L of y of t here? S by s square plus 4 into s square plus 1 plus 3s plus 4 into s square plus 4. Okay. So y of t is what here? Y of t equal to L inverse of s plus 3s plus 4 into s square plus 4 divided by s square plus 4 into s square plus 1. கால் வந்ததுன்னா நான் கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கேன். Okay, fine. Using partial fraction method, how can we solve? L inverse of a s plus b divided by s square plus 4 plus cs plus d divided by s square plus 1. Here, I done the mistake here. It is 4y na? It is 4y na? Please change it then. Plus 4. Here also plus 4. So s square plus 4 into s square plus 4. Please change it that s square plus 4 whole square. There is no s square plus 1. Okay. Now s plus 3s plus 4. Okay. So this can be written as y of t equal to L inverse of s by s square plus 4 by whole square plus 3s plus 4 into s square plus 4 divided by s square plus 4 whole square. Okay. Then directly we can solve here. So y of t equal to L inverse of s by s square plus 4 whole square plus L inverse of 3s divided by s square plus 4, because s square plus 4 get cancelled, plus 4 into L inverse of 1 by s square plus 4. Now what is s by s square plus 4 whole square? S square plus a square whole square, s by s square plus a square whole square. Today I have written in beginning na 3 formulas. 3 formulas I have written na. This one, s by s square plus a square whole square, t sin at by 2a. You have to remember this. These 3 formulas. S by s square plus a square whole square is t sin at by 2a. So using this formula here, we have to write. What is the formula? You can write that now. L inverse of s divided by s square plus a square whole square equal to t sin at by 2a. 2 t sin at by 2a. It is a formula. So using this formula here, then we will get that y of t equal to, what do you get? A is 2 na here. Therefore t sin 2t divided by 4, because 2 into 2 4. Okay, plus 3 take it outside. L inverse of s by s square plus 4 cos 2t plus 4 into 1 by s square plus 4 is 1 by 2 sin 2t. So what is the final answer here? Final answer, y of t equal to t sin 2t by 4 plus 3 cos 2t, the 2 to get cancelled here, plus 2 sin 2t. This is the answer for this. So here I think I forget this 4 multiplication of 4 there. Okay, please don't do the mistake there. So before you solving that the problem, please verify 1 or 2 times. 1 or 2 times, 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 1 or As I told that it is a compulsory problem for cycle test and university examination. Please practice more problem. I am solving only 3 problem. Few more problems are there. Okay, fine. Did you complete this? Did you complete?